You're changing your life by doing this. Extremely therapeutic. This is so beneficial. It's only, it's a minute of my day. It feels so wonderful. You get out and you just feel like, why do I feel so good? My body it's like it's dancing. It feels so amazing. Even while you're in it, the body then adapts, and then you feel this warmth, and it feels amazing, and you can stay in for as long as you want. Cold plunge therapy device could absolutely change your life. Having it in your home becomes then essential to get the results that you're reading about it. Start your day in a powerful way. Fully immersed, stretching your legs out. Your mental state has improved. You've got less depression, less anxiety, more dopamine, more serotonin, more of your neurotransmitters are firing because you've activated all this in your body. All of a sudden it has this ripple effect. One thing has now changed every aspect of your life. That's how you can change your life for the better.